Welcome back to another video by the Canadian Home Painter. In this video I just want to demonstrate the technique I use in applying my drywall compound to an inside 90-degree corner. So what I like to do is work on one side of the corner first. I put a healthy amount of drywall compound on the corner, making sure to get off any excess because whatever you put on you have to sand off. So you want to make sure that you have it fairly smooth to prevent having to do a lot of sanding. After I get a good amount applied on the one side, then I do like to let that dry for a little bit. So there's always other things that you can do in the room as far as other corners or covering screws or flat joints or whatever. So I like to let that dry, put a fan on it, and then after that's good and dry, that's when I will tackle the other side. So you can see it's turned white on the left side of the corner. That just shows you that it's had a good amount of time to dry. Why I do that is if I start applying my mud like I am here, then it will damage the other side if I touch it. So if it's dry and it's kind of gotten hard, then running my drywall knife down the other side won't disturb any of that. It'll be nice and flat still if I happen to get too far over or hit where I had previously put the compound on. So for this, I'm using just a 6-inch drywall knife. I do all my corners like that. They always turn out really good. After this second coat is done, I will put a third one on. Pretty much the same thickness because I keep it quite thin. So I put the tape on, and then you have a little bit of compound on, and then 2 decent coats like you're seeing, and then it is ready to sand. So yeah, one of the benefits of putting it on thin is less sanding. I like to use a product that's called dust control compound, made by a company called CGC. CGC also makes just an all-purpose regular compound as well. I find the dust control works really good. The drywall, when you sand it, it drops just to the floor, so it doesn't go all airborne throughout the room or your house. So yeah, I'm just finishing up this flat joint beside the corner. For that, I'm using a 12-inch drywall knife, and I like to feather that out a couple feet after it's all done. And same thing, just don't apply too much and it'll make sanding a lot easier. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and look for more videos in the future.